All right, what we have here is a cold start video of a 1965 Shelby Cobra replica by Factory 5 Racing. This is a cold start video, so I'm going to grab the pipes here. I'll show you that hanging right onto them. They are cold as a bone. Right now you can't really see on my phone watch, but it's right 38 degrees. So this engine is a 302 Ford engine with GT40P heads with the 4 slashes there, if you can see them on the heads. Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection with a Holley Sniper electronic ignition and mechanical linkage for the throttle. So we're going to turn around here. The first sound you're going to hear is going to be the electronic fuel pump. So you'll hear that first. We'll let that run for about 2 seconds and then we'll fire it up and I'll show you the gauges.